everyone, happy Saturday. I hope everybody's doing well out there. I just wanted to show you guys the little shopping haul, another haul. I've become a plant lady. I have quite a few plants in my house, and some of them have gotten so big, well, bigger than the pots, and they need to be repotted. So my goal yesterday, I had the day off, was to go find some new planters, more decorative planters to replant things. And another thing, my birthday is coming up, so I'm not one to celebrate big on my birthday, but I do take advantage of every discount that I can get from any company. Let me turn on the light, another light here. Okay, maybe that's better. I do take advantage of every discount. If they send me a coupon or 10% off or whatever, I take advantage of it. So yesterday I went to Ace Hardware. I had a $5 off coupon. I go there to get plants sometimes. So I figured maybe I could find a planter there and get $5 off. I didn't find a planter, but they had, I've heard of this company before, Myers Cleaning. They had this on three for $12, and they had so many scents, and I figured why not, I'll try it. So I got the limited edition scent Compassion Flower. So this was only $12 for all three. I got the hand soap, the dish liquid, and the multi-purpose. So I thought that was a good deal. I will never run out of cleaning products. I buy cleaning products all the time. I never run out. And then I figured, since I'm going to be the plant lady, I was using an old water jug to water my plants, but I bought this too. So all of that came up to maybe $15 with my coupon. Then I went to Big Lots. I had a $10 off coupon there. Just, what, maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, I went there for something, and they did have a lot of gardening stuff, but now it's just one shelf. So I really didn't find any planters that I liked at Big Lots, and the ones at Ace, they were nice, but they were very, very expensive. It's such a small hardware store that it was too expensive. So at Big Lots, in order to use my little coupon, you know, I can't let a good coupon go to waste. I found this carrot ginger turmeric juice. I do make a ginger turmeric concoction with coconut water and lemon, but I haven't done it in a while, but I'm gonna try this. I've never had carrot juice before, actually, so I'm gonna try this morning and see how it tastes. And I found another little candle. You know, you can't go wrong with candles. This was on clearance for only $4.50, so it smells pretty nice, so maybe I'll put that in my bedroom. And I found this pillow actually on clearance. It's kind of a light blue. It's actually the color of my sofa. And I have a throw that's blue and white on my sofa, so I found this cute little pillow here. So I'll throw that on my sofa. So then I said, where else can I go? I didn't want to go to Home Depot or Lowe's because I know their planters are expensive. And I didn't have a coupon. I don't even think, well, I do get coupons from Home Depot every once in a while. I remember this place called At Home. It used to be the old Kmart building here in St. Pete. Well, Kenneth City, St. Pete, but anyway. So I remember signing up for their rewards program, and I had a 10% off coupon that expired yesterday, so I was able to go there, and I'll show you guys in a minute all the planters that I bought. But as I'm rolling, I spent so much time in that store, it's ridiculous, looking at planters and household. The store is huge. It has everything you need for your home. Decorative, bathroom, kitchen, rugs, everything. Yeah, it was dangerous to go into that place. But once I got all of the planters that I wanted or that I liked, I was headed to the checkout. And I'm not one to really decorate for the holidays or for the seasons. And I saw like fall decorative items, like little pumpkins and acorns and things like that. And I just kind of browsed, and then I went down the rabbit hole. And I thought to myself, well, Valerie, at least you could change your your kitchen table. I have a little bowl here with little balls on them. So at least change, you know, the decor on your table. So hold on a minute. Let me open up all of this so you won't hear all this rustling. Hold on. Now that I've opened up all of the bags here, what caught my eye first was this cute little ceramic acorn. I thought, oh, that's cute. So I decided, well, I'll decorate my table. So I went around the whole fall area, just picking up little things. And everything that I'm going to show you was $6.99 or less. The tray that I bought was 10 bucks. But I found this cute little acorn. This cutest mushroom. How cute is that? This was actually $12.99. Normally I wouldn't buy that, but I figure it was the only mushroom that they had, so I paid $12.99 for this. And found a bunch of pumpkins, a little iridescent pumpkin. This was $3.99. A little furry pumpkin, $4.99. Little satin pumpkin. This was $3.99. Another little acorn. This was $3.99. And a cute little, this is a wooden pumpkin here. This was $6.99. And they had little bales of straw. This was $2.99. And I don't know what you want to call these, but anyway, this was $2.99. And I found this little placard here that says thankful for $3.99. So what I'm gonna, oh, and I found, oh, here's a bigger pumpkin here. This one is kind of a ivory and gold pumpkin. That was $6.99. I went way overboard. All of this may not even fit in the tray. And a cute little pumpkin candle. The scent, I didn't want a pumpkin scent. This is called Autumn Evening. So this smells really nice. I don't think this will end up going in the tray, but it smells good. I'll have it right next to the tray. So I found this wooden tray. This was $9.99. A little wooden tray that I'll put on the center of my kitchen table. And I'll put the straw in it and kind of arrange all of these to go in it. Like I said, everything may not go in it, but I can put the pumpkins, you know, elsewhere. So I thought that this was cute and it'll be nice. I'll show you guys once I get it all set up. So anyway, back to the planters. I'll show you guys all the planters that I bought. I kind of went overboard. Some of them may be actually, I don't know, maybe they're too big. I don't know. But either way, I'm going to make it work. Hold on. So I did find some new bath rugs for my bathroom. This was on clearance. This had a clearance sticker on, 25% off. Original price $24.99. Of course, you can tell someone brought it back, but you know what? That's why we have washers and dryers. So I'm going to wash these today and put them in my bathroom. I could use some new rugs in my bathroom. And then I have two planters on the side of one couch that I have. But I saw these. Isn't that pretty? It's kind of an aqua turquoise. Or maybe I'll call it, yeah, Tiffany blue. This actually was $29.99 rather than $39.99. And it's gold. And I bought two of them right here. So that's the other one. Really, really pretty. So these will go next to a sofa that I have. I have two sofas actually. And then I have a big, I guess you call it a tree. It's almost like a huge plant. It's like a tree. It's probably 3 feet tall maybe. And I found this one right here. This is so heavy, but it's so pretty. And I broke down, this one was 40 bucks. So I think this will work for what I need it for. And then I found this cute ivory one here. Can you guys see that? And I personally don't think that all of the planters have to match. I found this one here. Oh, this white one here. Let's see. This one was $16.99. And this one here, this one was $9.99. And let's see. Oh, this one is really, really pretty. It has different shades of blue in it. This one was $12.99. And that's all that I saw at that particular store. So right across the street is a store called Old Time Pottery. And I found this one. This one is gorgeous. I love this one. $12.99. Now, I wish they did have two of these. I would have bought two of these, but they didn't. So I'll roll with that. And then this one, really pretty brown, golden brown. This one was only $5.99, y'all. So I really like this one. So those are all of the planters that I have. Then I went to Home Depot to get more potting mix, because obviously if I'm putting them in a bigger pot, they'll need more potting mix. So I bought 2 bags of those. And of course, I walk into Home Depot, they have new rugs. So I found this one that says Home Sweet Home. So I'll probably put this one in front of my sliding glass door. So I'll come back to you guys and show you how I repotted everything. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to everything today, but this is what I got. I'll see you guys later. So it's Thursday. I never got a chance to repot my plants, but today I'm off and it's raining, and I thought, what a great idea to let my plants get some fresh rainwater before I put them into new pots. So I just sat them out. It's raining now. I'm sitting underneath my patio. I got my potting mix and all of my pots ready. So I'll be doing that this afternoon. So I repotted all of my plants, well, most of them. These pots here I already had. I figure I might as well use them. They're kind of, I think they're called self-watering. There's a platform on the inside to drain the water so that the soil is just not sitting in water. So there's no hole at the bottom of the pot. And these 2 plants I bought from Ace Hardware a few weeks ago. And we're going to have to pray for these because this one is kind of brown and yellowish. I'm going to take that leaf off right there. They don't look too healthy. And then this one, the fronds are falling off. See, I just cleaned this up yesterday and repotted this, and already fronds are falling off for these little black beads, but we'll see. We'll see. I won't water these for a while because I think I overwatered this one right here. And then as we go to my other plants over here, I love these pots here. There's a kind of greenish turquoise, and the pothos here. Pay attention to this pothos here because it's kind of light green. I took a clipping from another pothos I'll show you in a minute, but it's not as green as this one. So these are the pots here, and then we'll go to the next, to the living room. Love this plant right here. It's gotten so nice and big, looks very healthy. It was in the kitchen, but I'm gonna put it over here. It's in a bigger pot now, so I assume it'll get even bigger. And then over here, I love this pot here. This is the brown one that was only $5.99. So that plant should get bigger also. And then we'll turn over here. This is the tree that I have. I decided not to put all soil in this one because there was no drain tray that was big enough to go underneath it. So I just put the whole pot in here. Because the tree will grow up and not wide, it kind of made sense to just leave it like this. But I think I'm going to put some pothos in the bottom just to kind of fill out around the bottom there. And then these pots here, I need some plants to go in them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I hate to take them back because they're so cute. I paid $30 plus 10% off, so $27 a piece for those. I don't think I'm going to take those back. I'll just have to find a space to put them in. Here's another pothos that's underneath my coffee table. I've had this thing for so many years, probably over 20 years. I remember our old boyfriend gave this to me. See how nice and green that is? And I cut a piece off and put it in the one in the kitchen, but it's not as green, so I don't know what's going on. But it's still living, so. That's the other piece of pothos that I clipped from the one in the living room. If anybody has any hints as to why it's not as green, let me know. So, call me the plant lady. I'll take it. I'm the plant lady, officially. And then I wanted to show you the fall decor that I bought, that I showed you earlier. Everything fit into this tray except for the little, well, actually it's a nice size pumpkin here, this white pumpkin here. So I just put it on my coffee bar. And then everything fit. The mushroom, the acorns, the little candle. This candle smells really good. It's called Autumn Evening. Autumn Evening. I bought all of this from At Home store. So, I am thankful. I am headed to Miami now, and I hope everybody has a great day. Peace.